Hi, good team. Steve Hamill, Director of Operations here at Populist, and we are between holidays. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving with friends, family, and some good food, and we are looking forward to the Christmas season. I know this can be a hard season for some people, and I just encourage you to give. To give. It always is better to give than to receive. And as we think about this time of year, it's also a tough time when it comes to seasonal changes. And so you'll see in the newsletter here some cautions about safety that are very important to think about. I want you to think about, taking extra time to get to your sites, warming up your car, making sure your battery is good, and you're giving yourself some extra time to get to work. Just a reminder that anytime you don't make it to a site, somebody has to. And so we want to make sure we have each other's backs and we're taking a proper preparation for those moments. I lastly want to finish with just a thought about our core values. So one of them, and I was reminded about this recently, is hard work. And we want to, work vigorously, that is intelligently and vigorously. It's a tough industry, and I'm so thankful that you've chosen to work with Populist and you've chosen to work in this service industry. And I'm reminded it is hard work. Thank you for the good effort that you've put forth. And as you think about your workday, working hard, more than ever, we have porter shifts, and they are day, afternoon, and midnights and weekends. We're in front of the customer sometimes 24/7. And so we want to make sure that we are working vigorously, that we're using our time wisely and staying busy. There's nothing worse for our reputation than laziness or taking elongated breaks, or it looks like we're not working. So make sure you stay vigorous in your activities. And then also you work intelligently. It means you work smart. And we want to work smart. We are cleaners, and so we want to get the job done. And so please continue to exercise the core value of hard work. And I know you do. Thank you again for being a part of Populist, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.